Here we go. Girl, wow. I feel like falling in love. I need some drink in my cup.
Drink in my cup.
Drink. I want to go higher. Can I sit on top of you?
I'm sorry. All circuits are busy. Please try your call again later.
Turn that shit off.
We have touched down in Austin. We've actually been here for quite some time. We are staying at the Otis Hotel. 10 out of 10 I would recommend. I like the vibes here. I think that they have a signature scent, but we have to figure it out.
It smells amazing.
It smells really good. And we just ate at the restaurant downstairs, Acre 41. The food was
amazing.
It was so, I mean, chef's kiss. We had steak.
Oh yeah, it's $8.99. We going outside, baby.
Typically, we don't even finish steak. Steak demolished. The steak was steaking.
If you know what a happy plate is, put it down in the comments, because I made a happy plate. Sis was hungry.
Yeah, she did. She did. But it was really good. So we're going to head outside. We've missed most of the events today. And now, since it's the evening, we're gonna go play. We're about to come outside. So. To fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription.
I don't wanna go missing.
Have you ever had fun like this?
When that Easter snap hit you,
I don't even know what that is.
Especially at Easter snap being to get cold right before Jesus arrived with the palms and the Easter sun.
Cold.
She bossy in her real life. Look
a luxury laundry bag. Dirty clothes. Ain't that handy? My dress from last night that I somehow ripped. Still smells good. But yeah, she real dirty. What's that? We have to find her a swimsuit because we have a rooftop pool and it's heated. We're not missing out on this, okay? And after last night being out in the cold, I would love to enjoy like a little spring heated swim on the roof type of vibe. So, and I think I got robbed slightly. One day I came in my car and my glove, I guess not the glove, what's the middle? The console was open and I looked and all of my sunglasses were gone. Now, good thing is they were just like Amazon sunglasses, so. But still.
They gonna be mad when they find out they got a bunch of dupes.
Yes. But I mean, how rude. We're ready. Okay, it's time to go to the pool. My blue one is not hung up. I got on this little H&M set, a very old swimsuit that I will be retiring after this because she's not giving. And some other little bits in jewelry. I'll probably leave those linked. So, honestly, most of this can be linked. I think that they sell this swimsuit on Amazon now, too. I'm almost positive. And look.
I'm in my Target last minute special.
Yes, we found one. It looks good. Let's go.
You ready for my close-up?
Yes, let's get a close-up.
Y'all, this girl got me on a rooftop. It's about 45 degrees. We have on swimwear. It looks like Seattle out here.
But she did hook us up with a heater.
Blankies.
And blankets. So we do have, we got something. It's very much giving something. Oh, and we have food and drinks on the way.
Bro, you be doing too much. I'm like, bro, I'm about to have to do the freaking gift. I'm about to go buy an EpiPen.
I be dying, y'all. I'm like a cat, I got 9 lives. The rooftop is nippy. So we're stuck in this little bitty corner. Well, it's not little, it's actually a really large corner.
Wait a minute.
Oh. What we got in here? It's pistachios, but it's Santa Barbara pistachio.
Yeah, so Wizard Kelly, shout out to Wizard Kelly, got me some pistachios from Central Market, and they have like 5 flavors. I vaguely remember what he said.
One of them is pink.
So I don't know. We're just gonna
like a pinkish tone.
We're gonna stick our hand in here and just go for it.
Figure out which flavor is which. It's like does this one have a little pink on it? I think so.
What if it's like not really
flavored?
So how do y'all eat y'all pistachio? Do you put it in your mouth and like go for it, or do you like separate it? I kind of like lick the flavor off. Why is wrong with your face?
It's like tangy.
Sour?
Like pickled pistachios.
What happened?
That one got pimple. I need for you to get the same ones I get.
They all mixed up. Okay, this is the same one I got last time.
Oh wow. These are flavorful.
What did it taste like? You gotta tell me.
No. Okay. That was a regular one. Oh, thank God. I think them pink ones is the sour ones.
Why would he give me sour pistachios?
Oh.
What's wrong?
One of those pickled ones. Alright, that's enough.
Yeah, okay.
And it wasn't even bad.
Oh, it's cute. See?
I'm not gonna lie, it do hurt, but only for a second. Good.
You feel, Fred? Wiggle it up, wiggle it down when it rests. When your arms resting next to you. And here we go. Wow.
You got it.
That's cute.
It is very cute.
Right, I'm gonna suggest, but you tell me
Okay.
what is comfortable for you. So this is where we would start off with that one finger. At this size, it will probably go up that high, come down this low.
I don't know what y'all over there doing, but y'all always doing something. Oh, you feel nothing. I feel a little. Look at us at our big age.
Hey, we love a good hood jam.
Thank you. See, I still haven't figured out this tripod situation. It says push, but not push. Anyways, we're checking out of the Otis, okay? This hotel is 10 out of 10. I would recommend. I really like it here. Is she cute?
It was nice. It was nice. I had a great time.
It is. It is. Food is good. The drinks are good. The restaurants in here are actually good. The rooftop bar is nice. It's beautiful. Texas is going through a crisis, but I think that the rest of the world is going through a weather crisis, so we're not surprised. This weather is killing the vibes, though, because it's not giving spring. In April, in Texas, and during this time of year, we are typically in shorts.
It's giving. It's too cold for this.
It is, and it's so sad.
And the first day of spring is technically tomorrow.
Yeah, but it's at least it's sunny today. It wasn't sunny yesterday. It was gloomy.
And it's currently 47 degrees with a low of 39.
Oh my God. I'm back. I really want to straighten up the place a little bit because I want to plop on the couch so bad and watch TV, but I really want to watch Sworn, basically, with Damson and Chloe, but I prefer to do that in like a really clean space. And typically whenever I'm away, my space isn't clean anymore. Like when I come back, it's not clean anymore. If you live with a man, then you already know. So yeah, but the stuff I'm straightening up is not even because of him. It's just stuff that I even kind of like left behind and stuff, you know, just moving fast. And it's little things, and I'm like, yeah, before I plop on this couch and relax from South by Southwest, I just want to clean up the space. So 2 things we did today. We got forever bracelets. My bestie and I, we got these. I can't even remember the name of the place, but y'all already saw it. And another thing that I did was I got new piercings. So I got like this opalite stud on this ear and a bar on this ear. So this is my third hole. But what's so crazy about this whole like piercing situation is that I have been wanting to stack. So fast forward, we pop up at the Domain. I'm like, before we head back, let's get some things out of the way. Like whatever we want to do, like let's go do it. Listen, everything that we say manifests. I was telling the people basically about my fears, but what I wanted, you know, very open about it. My bestie was like, let's just go finish walking around and you can think about it. And then we can come back. And I was like, no, let's do it right now. Because the thing is that I've been actively practicing getting over fears, because fears are not real. Like, it's not a legit thing. So I really want to train my brain to eliminate fear at all. I mean, for the most part, you know, I just really want my intuition. Like, but to have these kind of like, they're created things, I don't want that anymore. So I didn't want to wait, because I knew that if I waited, it would basically allow the fear to brew and that I wouldn't go through with it. So I just went through with it. And now I have 2 piercings. Because the stack is about to be lit. It's probably going to take like a full year to actually heal. But the stack is about to be lit. Keep Austin weird. Nonetheless, I am going to relax. I love you guys. And I will see you in my next vlog.